Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Sinking Funds Spreadsheet tutorial. Let's get started. First, choose your currency. Then, fill in the sinking funds list in the spreadsheet. Enter your target amount, which is the amount you want to save. Specify the start amount that you are setting aside at the current time. Next, enter the approximate amount you are willing to set aside monthly. This column helps you understand how much you are planning to save monthly according to your plan. You can adjust it at any time. This column does not affect the overall functionality of the spreadsheet. The shaded columns contain formulas that you do not need to edit. They calculate automatically. Double-click on a cell to specify the approximate date by which you want to save the money. The breakdown column will show you how many months and days are left until your specified due date. In the contributions table, you will record all your actual contributions and savings. Your entire sinking funds list will automatically transfer to this table. Select the sinking fund, enter the amount you are contributing, specify the date of the contribution, and track the total calculation in the table above. All your actual contributions will automatically be added to the saved column. You will then be able to track the remaining amount and your progress. Once you have filled out this table with the necessary information, all you need to do is continue updating the contributions table, which is directly linked to it.